Hello, I'm Dr. Sergio Florencio, and today we're going to be talking about the scanner that we received. It's a Alliedstar 200E. We received this scanner from our friends at Evolve Dentistry. If you don't know these guys, they are the #1 experts in digital dentistry, in my opinion, especially exocad. These guys know everything about it, and they are teaching a lot of the people that you see posting all the time about it. These guys are behind them and behind me, teaching me how to do things better, and they help us a lot. So they have sent me the scanner for me to test it out, and we're gonna do the unboxing today. So they sent me a nice package with a few mouse pads and a Wi-Fi card that I can use. So this is the Wi-Fi card. We got some mouse pads here that are actually very helpful. Some of these with some shortcuts for exocad. So if you forget a lot about these, it's very helpful. There's a lot of the shortcuts that you can use in exocad here. It helps a lot. So thank you guys, especially Tristan, my good friend there. And yeah, let's go for the unboxing now. I'll open it the first time and find out with you guys what's in here. Okay, so nice packaging. It comes, it looks like, in its own case. Let's get this out of the way. Very nice foam casing. Okay, and inside here we have the scanner itself, it looks like. Very small. We got 4 tips. I'm assuming these tips would go easily in here. Yeah, better take this out. So nice compact scanner. And it comes with 4 tips. Put that back. Cap to protect it. Looks like there's a holder so that we can set it aside. There's a stand. Assuming the stand will go in there. Yep. So easy to put together, obviously. It's the first time I'm opening it and no troubles. Comes with a manual, a battery, and a cable for charging it. It is a wireless scanner, so it doesn't need to be plugged in all the time. Wall mounting, and I'm gonna open the battery, but I was told that it's just a regular lithium battery, so it's easy to replace it if you need to. Yep, so there's 2 batteries here. It is just a regular 3.7 lithium battery. I use the same batteries actually for my diving kit, for my torch, so I can see under the water. So I have a couple of these at home. And yeah, that's it. And that's the scanner.